Good morning, children. Children, the chapter Environment and Geography has completed. Now we will study the civics part. The first chapter in civics is democracy. Children, what is democracy? Democracy implies the rule of the common people. It is derived from the Greek word demokratika, that is a combination of two words, demos, which means common people, and the kratos, which means power. Children, India is a democratic country where everyone is equal before the law. Every citizen has a right to challenge anything that is unjust. In democratic country like India, every citizen have the right to participate in the governing the country. All adult citizens of the country have the right to vote in democracy and are free to elect their representative to run the country. Children, there are different forms of government, and to understand what democracy is, we first need to have an idea about other forms of government also. For example, there is a government absolute monarchy, which means rule by king or a queen. Second, dictatorship, that means the rule by an unelected all powerful dictator. Both the monarch and dictator have absolute power and are above the law. Therefore, they are not accountable to the people. But democracy is very different from the rule of the king or a dictator. It stands for the people's rule. People are involved in the formation of government, directly or indirectly through the elections. If the government is elected and run directly by the people, it is called direct democracy. But this may not be practical today, especially in countries with a large population. In most countries, including India, people elect their representative for a fixed term, who in turn form and run the government on behalf of the people. This is called indirect or representative democracy. Children, in democracy, the head of the country or president is also elected by the people. Such countries are called republics. Thus, India is a democratic republic because we have both the government and the head of the state or president elected by the people. In this class, we will study this much and we will continue the class. Till then, stay safe, stay home.